The clock is ticking. At the end of this month, the CDC's moratorium on evictions is set to expire. Many are now worried about being forced out of their homes after not being able to pay their rent or mortgage. Today, there was a pop-up clinic to help residents apply for assistance and give them the answers they need. So 13 Action News reporter Astrid Mendez was out there. And Astrid, what did you learn?
Jackie, we're basically in the final hour of this pop-up clinic hosted by the Legal Aid Center. Their main message to people today and in the future is that there is help available for everyone. The key is to be proactive. The past few months have not been easy for Dawn. Even though she's getting unemployment now, she's very concerned about her living situation in the future.
And I'm afraid that my landlord's going to evict me. And I haven't been able to get work, even though I've applied so many times. It's just picking up here in Las Vegas, so hopefully it won't be too long. But in the meantime, there's a lot of back rent.
We spoke while she waited for a Legal Aid Center expert. She says it's difficult to think about it, but she already took action by applying to the CARES Housing and Assistance Program, or CHAP.
The application's there, and I'm waiting for a caseworker. So I don't know whether I'm approved or not. I hope and pray to God I am. I hope and pray to God I am. And I have no idea when they're going to get to my application because it's been sitting there for 3 months.
Applying for CHAP is exactly what Jim Birch told with the Legal Aid Center, says it's going to help her and many others. Recently, Governor Steve Sisolak signed AB 486 into law, which could help many residents in their homes.
It says that if you have applied for rental assistance and you're just waiting, that's going to marry into the eviction process so that you notify the court. If you get an eviction notice, you notify the court that you're waiting for CHAP, and it will pause the eviction process to let that application be processed and ideally get the money paid out.
Getting an answer from the court is also fundamental, and while every situation is different, experts say the most important thing is to be proactive and communicate.
There are multiple steps that are available to a tenant to try to protect themselves, try to tap into that money, but the tenant's got to take that action. They've got to apply for CHAP. They've got to file an answer with the court. They've got to talk to their landlord and try to work something out.
And this pop-up clinic is going to finish today at 6 p.m. But if you are not able to make it, contact the Legal Aid Center for that information. And for more about the possible help that you can get, just go to our website, ktnv.com. And just to let you know, at the Legal Aid Center, they do have bilingual experts that can help you with this and other legal issues. Reporting live from the Clark County Library on Flamengo Street, Astrid Mendez, 13 Action News.